Now already in the last lecture we have completed the part of perpendicular bisector theorem and then angle bisector theorem. Moving to the next part, and the part is properties of inequalities of sides and angle of a triangle. Now what does exactly it means? Now here every time it is not possible that triangle is in standard condition. Means what are mean by standard angles? Let us say 30, 60, 90, it is considered as a standard triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. These are specific triangle. But now we are going to discuss a general triangle concept. Means what? Theorem, try to understand this part. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is greater than angle opposite to smaller sides. What does it mean? Now try to understand from theorem over here. Let us say this part I am going to explain now in terms of diagram point of view. In that case, as per a book, I have drawn a triangle XYZ. Let us say this is a given triangle XYZ to us. And as per their condition, in triangle XYZ, if YZ is greater in size or larger in length, so XZ is larger in length compared to XY. Means you can say XZ is larger in length and compared to that XY is smaller in length. So length of a larger side, it contained one opposite angle, means angle Y. XY means smaller side, it also contained its opposite angle as a Z. Then we have to prove that if side is larger, then its opposite angle. If side is larger, then opposite angle is also greater. Vice versa, if side is smaller, then its opposite angle is also smaller. And in that case, we have to prove in terms of comparison, means greater than, less than type of part. First of all, we are going to write a given and to prove. So the part is, from this diagram, first of all I am going to write a given and to prove. So the part is given. So your part is, in triangle XYZ, they have given side XZ is greater than side XY. They have already given us. Now we have to prove. So we have to prove XZ, its opposite angle is Y, or you can say totally angle XYZ. Angle XYZ is greater than XY, opposite angle is Z. So angle XZY. Means we have to prove that angle Y is greater than angle Z. Now for that part, we are going to do a construction. Now here, construction is most important because this is something different. Because we have not done such a kind of construction before that part. So try to understand that part in terms of diagram point of view. That's why I have drawn secondary diagram for you. So the part is, now they are already given XZ is greater than XY. So we know that XY is a smaller, exactly equal to X to Y. Here I am going to take a point. And I am going to join that line. Means pay attention what I am trying to say. Here whatever be length of XY, exactly equal of XY, I am going to take the distance over here. And I am going to highlight that point by P. And now I am going to join P with Y or Y with P. So this is your construction. Now we have drawn a part over here and we have joined PY. Now how this PY get formed? Pay attention. In this case we have done a construction, and this construction is a distance XY. Exactly we have taken a distance on XZ and that point is P. Why? Because XZ is greater and XY is smaller. So exactly equal to XY, we are able to get the point distance XP and marking that point P, and we have drawn Y with P or P with Y. Now here one by one we have to understand the part in terms of proof. And the part is, in this case your triangle XYP is act as isosceles triangle. Why? Because XY is equal to XP. But part we have done in terms of a construction. Naturally angle XYP is equal to XPY. This angle will be equals. Now we are moving step by step towards proof, and the part is, these two angle means angle XYP is equal to XPY. This become isosceles triangles angle, and we know that value of exterior angle means XPY. XPY is definitely greater than angle XPY. This value is definitely greater than, means this XPY, which is the exterior angle for triangle PYZ. And automatically this angle P means XPY. This angle is greater than this angle Z means PZY. Here this angle Z is smaller compared to this. Naturally this angle Z is smaller than XYP. Now with XYP we are going to add this remaining angle. Actually addition of these two is definitely greater than angle Z, and we are moving over here. Means addition of these two means your angle Y will be greater compared to this Z means smaller. And automatically if this angle is greater, then its opposite side is already greater, or this angle is smaller, its opposite side is already smaller. And in this way we are going to write construction and proof. So please pay attention, because here during solution, first of all draw this diagram on your notebook so that you can directly attend or understand what I have to write on a proof. So please pay attention. Now in a construction, what exactly? We have taken a point P on side XZ. So starting that, take point P on side XZ such that XY is equal to XP, XY is equal to XP, and then join YP. So join YP. Now the part is, we are going to start over here proof, and the part is numbers, statements and reasons. Now already given a part. Student, before going to start this part, please draw this diagram so that whatever may be part in terms of proof I am going to write, you can understand it. Now students, starting from the part of proof in triangle XYP. So the first part is, in triangle XYP, here XY is congruent to XP, XY is congruent to XP by construction. Therefore, triangle XYP is isosceles triangle. And angle XYP is congruent to angle XPY. I would call it as equation 1 and reason, angles of isosceles triangle. Angles of isosceles triangle. Now we are using the benefit of this part over here. Second, in triangle YPZ, so in triangle YPZ, here the part angle YXPY. Student, what I am going to write it, please pay attention over here. Here angle XPY means this angle is exterior angle for triangle YPZ. Naturally this exterior angle means XPY. this angle must be greater than PZY. Definitely it is more than this. So your angle P is greater or angle Z is smaller. So angle XPZ, this is greater than angle PZY. I'm going to remove this angle and I'm going to write this. Means angle XYP is greater than PZY. After that, with this angle I am going to add additional angle, that is PYZ. And with this part, this two angle or this addition is definitely greater than this. Please pay attention over here. So in angle YPZ, angle XPY is exterior angle of triangle. Therefore angle XPY is greater than angle PZY. Now by property of exterior angle, if you want to write by exterior angle property, now we very well know that in case 1 we have written XPY is equal to XYP. Now I am going to replace XPY, by this XYP. Therefore angle XYP is greater than angle PZY. From 1, so I am going to write from 1. Now remember, in this group, means in angle XYP, again pay attention over here, we are able to prove up to the part XYP, means this angle is greater than PZY, means this angle. Now I am going to add additional angle over here, means with XYP I am going to add PYZ, means I am going to add this additional angle over here. I am going to add this angle with this angle. Automatically addition of these two is greater than this third angle, means PZY. But your PZY is nothing but XZY. So please pay attention. And the part is, therefore angle XYP, this is already greater than angle PZY. In this case, with this part I am going to add one additional angle, and that is PYZ. Now automatically this is already greater than this. If I am going to add additional value, automatically this addition must be greater than first one. And the part is XYP plus angle PYZ, that is nothing but your angle XYZ is greater than angle PZY. Your PZY is nothing but angle XZY. And in this way we can prove our main part that is required over here. And in this way you can properly write, or from the textbook you can properly observe it, but try to understand from diagram point of view. Here they have added one reason, and that is part. If A is greater than C, and naturally if I am going to add B with it, naturally A plus B is definitely greater than C, and that is the condition over here. That is the part they have given the book reason. So please try to understand that part and logic get cleared over here. Hello friend, previously just we have completed one theorem of inequalities of sides of a triangle. After inequalities we are entering into the next theorem, and the part is theorem. If two angles of a triangle are unequal, means there is a triangle and we are going to take comparison between two angles. If two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to greater angle is greater than the side opposite to smaller angle. Now what does this theorem indicate? Let us try to understand that part in terms of diagram point of view. No doubt this proof is called as indirect proof. Means we are going to take a comparative part in terms of working and then we are going to give the result. Let us say that they have given a triangle ABC, and we have to take two angles for comparison. Let us say I am going to take the basement angle B and next angle C over here for the comparison. Let us assume the part over here. From this triangle ABC, angle B is greater and angle C is smaller. Means value of this angle B is greater and value of angle C is smaller. Just to highlight that part, let us say angle B is greater and compared to that angle C is smaller. Then we have to prove that opposite to angle B means side AC is greater than opposite to side means side AB. Means we have to prove that side AC is greater in length compared to side AB. Why? Because opposite to angle B, this angle B is greater and this angle C is smaller. No doubt we are going to write this theorem in the form of given, to prove and proof. But again this part given in your book is in the form of fill in the blanks. So proof part we are going to complete in the form of fill in the blanks. So please pay attention. Now according to diagram discuss, we are going to complete the part over here. So first given. So you are given in triangle ABC, they have given angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is greater than angle C, they have given. Now to prove, what exactly we have to prove? We have to prove opposite to angle B means side AC. This side AC is greater than opposite to angle C means side AB. No doubt, we are going to write the answer in the form of number, statement, reason like a proof. So your part is numbers, statement and reason or reasons. Now the part is, we have to understand this part in terms of diagram point of view and then I am going to write it. No doubt in your textbook they have given the answer in the form of fill in the blanks. In a textbook they have given the answer in the form of fill in the blanks. I am going to write in the same form of fill in the blanks, but first of all I am going to clear the concept over here. Now what is exactly the part? In triangle ABC, they have given angle B is greater than angle C. Then we have to prove that opposite to angle B means AC is greater in length compared to opposite to angle C, that side is AB. Means we have to prove AC is greater than AB. Now there are three possible possibilities when you are going to compare two sides. What are that? First, AB may be greater than AC. Possibility number 2, AC may be greater than AB. And third possible possibility, AB is equal to AC. These are the three possible possibilities. In the first case, we are going to take one possibility and that possibility is, let us assume that AB is greater than AC. If AB is greater than AC, then just we have completed previous theorem of sides and angle inequalities. If AB is greater than AC, then AB, its opposite angle C must be greater. Opposite angle C must be greater than this side, its opposite angle B. Means we will get a conclusion that angle C is greater than angle B. But they have already given us the part that angle B is greater than angle C. Means this become converse or contradictory to our assumptions. And naturally, if it is a contradictions, means our assumption is wrong. In this way, we are going to complete the first part. So please pay attention. No doubt, they have given a proof in the form of fill in the blanks. So step by step, we are going to complete the space available as per fill in the blanks. And the part is, first, there are three possibilities regarding the lengths of side AB and side AC of triangle ABC. Means comparison between AB and AC having a three possibilities. What are that? First, AC may be less than AB. Means AC is smaller, or you can say AB is the greater. Second possibility, exactly reverse. It may possible that AC is greater than AB. Means AC is greater than AB, and third possible possibility that AC is equal to AB. So third possibility is AC is equal to AB. These are the possible possibilities over here. And now we are going to assume first possible possibility, that is AC is less than AB. Again the answer is given in the form of fill in the blanks, so please pay attention. I am going to write all the part directly and I am going to fill in the blanks step by step in front of you. Now moving to next, they have given the part in the form of fill in the blanks, and now we are going to complete step by step fill in the blanks. We are taking first assumption, means AC is less than AB. So let us assume that AC is less than AB. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is, we know that if angle is greater, then its opposite side is greater. So if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is greater. So this is greater. Now coming to the next part. Naturally angle C as per diagram condition must be greater than angle B. If we are going to assume that part, then angle C must be greater than angle B. But as per their condition, they have given that angle C is less than angle B, because they have given us. Naturally, this create a contradiction as per our statement. So it create a contradiction as per the statement. Naturally, our assumption means AC is less than AB will be wrong or false. So AC less than AB is wrong. So AC less than AB is wrong. And in this way, our first assumption become wrong over here. That what we assume, AC is less than AB. Remember, all the part of fill in the blanks I have filled with the red marker so that you can easily understand from the reference of textbook. Now we are going to check a possible possibility, that is the third, that is AC equal to AB, and we are going to cross check, and definitely it is also become false, and then we are going for the third choice, which is over here. That's why this proof is called as indirect proof. So please pay attention. So we are going to cross check the third condition, AC is equal to AB. And also it is given in the form of fill in the blanks. So I am going to write second part directly over here. So please pay attention. Now as per first option, we are going to check its third possible possibility, means AB equal to AC. We are going to cross check AB equal to AC. Whether it is true or false, that depend upon part. Now we are going to assume that AB equal to AC. But if you assume AB equal to AC, then opposite to AB, that is angle C, and opposite to AC, that is angle B, become equal. Then our part become angle B is equal to angle C. But they have already given us that angle B is greater than angle C. Why? Because they have already given that angle B is greater than angle C. Naturally, this is also create a contradictory condition for us. If it became a contradictory condition, then our assumption, that is AB equal to AC, is wrong. Therefore, AB equal to AC is wrong. Again, AB equal to AC is our wrong, means first possibility that we assume that AB is greater than AC is also wrong. And now third possibility, that is AB equal to AC, that is also become wrong. So AC is greater than AB is only the remaining possible possibilities. So AC is greater than AB is only remaining possibilities, and therefore we can say that AC is greater than AB. Here we are going to assume something and going to complete the proof. That is why this proof is called as indirect proof. And this is the method by which you can complete the part of fill in the blanks. Please observe the proof from textbook and complete the requirement of writing part. Now, continuation with the part over here. We are moving to the next theorem, and the theorem is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. I repeat, The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Remember, this theorem is not only important for 9th standard, but it is also important for standard 10th. So please try to understand, it is somehow seriousness, and at the same time it may probably ask in your semester examination, unit examination, because it is also considered as one of the ideal proof or important proof for your examination point of view. So please pay attention. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Means first of all I have to draw any triangle as per specification. Just let us say I have drawn triangle ABC. In that case I have to prove that sum of any two sides means AB plus AC must be greater than BC, or second part AB plus BC must be greater than AC, or AC plus BC must be greater than AB. In that case we have to draw a diagram and explain the content and concept. No doubt I am going to write the part, number, statement, reason given, and to prove all the format in terms of proof structure. So please pay attention. Now we are going to start the part of discussion in terms of diagram point of view. Let us say we are going to assume a triangle ABC over here, and now what exactly we have to prove? That sum of any two sides of a triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Means we have to prove that AB or triangle ABC is a given triangle, means it is a general triangle. We have to prove that sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So the part we have to prove, first we have to prove that AB plus BC is greater than AC. In second, AC plus BC is greater than AB, and third part AB plus AC is greater than BC. Now when we want to prove that part, we should know some additional part, that is construction. Means all this part up till this I have discussed, we are going to write to given and to prove. After that we are going to start a proof, and in a proof we need some construction. What is that part? Let it be clear over here. I am going to draw construction and I am going to explain all the part over here. Let us say your original triangle is triangle A, B and C, which is over here. Now you have a two choice. Either you can extend BA up to certain portion, or you can extend CA up to this portion. Anyway you can do the part, but as per a book I am going to draw the construction. Let us say BA is one segment and I am going to extend it up to some part. So I am going to extend it up to some part. I have extended over here. After that we are going to select one point. Whatever be distance AC, whatever be distance AC, we are going to select the same distance over here, and the part is. So whatever be distance AC that I have taken in this direction over here and selected one point, the name of that point is D, and now I am going to join D with C or C with D. So I am going to join D with C. And in this way, this is a point D over here. Now we have done one construction. What is that? AC equal to AD means this is a BA. We are extended up to D such that, what is the specification of D? This AC equal to AD, and we have drawn this triangle as isosceles triangle. Means you can say that triangle ACD is isosceles triangle. Why? Because by construction AD equal to AC. If these two sides are equal, naturally their opposite angles must be equal. Means as this ADC, or you can also call it as a ACD, it become isosceles triangle. Then if two sides are equal, then opposite to them, opposite to side, this angle must be congruent. First of all we are going to write given, to prove and construction, and then step by step all the explanation of proof I am going to give it over here. So please pay attention. According to diagram we are going to write first given. So the part is given triangle ABC is a triangle. Next, to prove. So the part is to prove There are three possibilities that can be possible over there. So one by one. First, AB plus AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. This is the first possible possibility. Now second, and apart is AB plus BC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. And third possibility is, and the third possibility is AC plus BC. AC plus BC is greater than AB. And in this way, we have to check all three possible possibility. Now student, please pay attention. Here, we are going to do some modification. What is exactly? We are just going to prove first one. We are going to prove only first one and giving the validation for second and third directly. Now, from that part, we are going to write a construction that we have done in terms of a diagram. So, construction. And a part is, extend a segment BA. Extend BA up to point D. Up to point D. Such that AD equal to AC. Now join side CD. Join CD. And in this way our construction is going to get completed. And now remaining answer we are going to write in the form of number, statement and reason. So please pay attention. Now observe this diagram carefully, because according to that we are going to write a proof. Now first part, we are going to write by construction in triangle ADC, ADC, or also you can say that in triangle ACD, ACD. First part, AC is congruent to AD by construction. As AC equal to AD, then triangle ACD become isosceles triangle. And if these two opposite sides are congruent, then its opposite angle must be congruent. Means we can say that angle ACD is equal to ADC. Now, as this angle C is equal to angle D, in that case, if in angle ACD, I am going to add this angle ACB, means this angle. If I am going to add angle C with this ACB over here, naturally addition of these two must be greater than angle D. Now, observe the same part over here. Here we can say that total angle first plus second means ACB plus ACD. Their addition means this total angle now is definitely greater than this angle D. Means now angle C, or you can say BCD, this angle is greater than angle ADC. If angle C is greater than its opposite side, means side BD must be greater than opposite to this side, means angle D opposite side is BC. But again BD is nothing but AB plus AD. But what is meant by AD? AD is nothing but AC. And in this way we are going to write all the part in answer. So please pay attention. Now answer is first, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, here AC is congruent to AD, AC is equal to AD by construction. Therefore, we can have side AC is equal to side AD, then angle ACD. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Angles of isosceles triangle. Now coming to the part, if ACD equal to ADC, we are taking in an advanced step over here. Second, here angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. In this case, in angle ACD, I'm going to add one angle. The name of that angle is ACB. I'm going to add one angle ACB. And here I am not going to add anything. If I am to add this angle over here, then conclusion become angle ACD plus angle ACB is definitely greater, because as these two are equal and I am going to add something over here, naturally this value goes on increasing. Angle ACD plus angle ACB is greater than angle ADC. Now, as angle ACD plus angle ACB is greater than angle ADC. But what is meant by angle ACD plus angle ACB? Here, if you want to observe the part, please observe the diagram carefully. Here, angle ACD plus ACB means this become angle BCD. Means you can say that angle BCD is greater than ADC. And after that, we are going to move over here. If BCD is greater than ADC, then opposite to angle C means side BD is greater than opposite to angle D means side BC. Writing that part over here. Therefore, addition of these two become angle BCD is greater than angle ADC. As we have completed this part, then opposite to angle BCD means side BD. Therefore, side BD is greater than opposite to angle ADC means side BC. Naturally, what is the meaning of side BD? Meaning of side BD is AB plus AD. AB plus AD is greater than BC. Now, here we are going to make slant changes about AD. Now, what is meant by AD? Our AD is nothing but AC. Temporarily, I am going to give it as equation number 1 as it is required over here. And now replacing AD by AC, over here. So it become AB plus AC is greater than BC. And this is our first part. AB plus AC greater than BC. Here AB plus AC greater than BC, that we have done over here. And similarly, with the same kind of application, we can prove second and third also. And in this way, you are supposed to write the proof. No doubt at the bottom we can write the part. Similarly, we can prove this part and this part. Also, you can add the statement over here. Therefore, similarly we can prove first or second, AB plus BC is greater than AC and AC plus BC is greater than AB. And in this way, you can complete the entire proof. Remember, this proof is already given in your book. Please observe it carefully. But the main additional part, they have given not reference of this diagram, not reference of this diagram. They have given directly this diagram. These three diagrams I have drawn for your proper understanding. And with the help of this part, you can easily write your group number 1, group number 2 and answer part. So observe it carefully. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर आप हमारे वीडियोस देख रहे हो और आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आते हो तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नीचे दिए हुए बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें। साथ में अपने फ्रेंड्स और ग्रुप इसमें भी आप ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए ताकि नॉलेज ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों तक पहुँचे। अलग अलग टॉपिक के साथ मैं आपको मिलता रहूँगा। मैं आपका एसवी सर आगे आने वाले वीडियोज़ को बनाता रहूँगा और आप तक पहुँचाता रहूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।